Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the half double crochet in the third loop only stitch when you're working in a row by row repeat. So this is a really pretty stitch that looks almost knit-like in appearance, and you can see in the picture it's the stitch with the raised edges that kind of separate or border the really textured stitches like the bobbles and the loop stitch. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and the full pattern for this blanket that you see in the picture will be linked below. Hey guys! So for my sample, I chained 21, but you are going to want to chain however many it instructs you for the blanket size that you're working on. So the first thing that we are going to do once you've chained is we are going to yarn over and we are going to insert our hook into the third chain from the hook. So if we count down, the loop on our hook doesn't count, so we go 1, 2, 3, and into that third chain we are going to insert our hook and we are going to yarn over and draw up a loop. So we have 3 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's a half double crochet. So we are going to repeat that, make a half double crochet in each chain across. Okay guys, we have just finished row 1, so we are going to turn our work and we are going to start row 2. So we are going to chain 2 to start the row, and into that first stitch we are going to work 1 half double crochet. And now for the remaining stitches, aside from the last stitch, we are going to be working into the third loop. So I'm just going to show you guys here. So we have these 2 loops here that we normally work in when we're doing a regular half double crochet. So this is the back loop, it's the furthest loop from us, and the front loop is the closest loop to us. Now if you guys see here, there's actually this other loop, and it's just right below our front loop. That's called our third loop. So we are going to just insert our hook kind of underneath that loop, and we're going to make a half double crochet just like normal, but the only difference is that we're working into that third loop. So I want you guys to repeat this all the way across the row until you get to your last stitch. And I want to show you guys, this is what it looks like on the other side. So as you can see, the way that you know that you've done this right is you should be able to see 2 loops on the other side, so your back and front loop. Okay guys, we are at our last stitch. So instead of working into the third loop, what we are actually going to do here is we're going to kind of skip over that last stitch, and we are going to work into our turning chain, so our beginning chain 2 that we skipped, and we're just going to work 1 half double crochet. So the reason that we do this at the end of the row, we skip over that last stitch and work into our beginning chain, is just to create slightly straighter edges. Okay, and now this is what the end of row 2 is going to look like.